Hey guys, this is your girl Anjanette Curry, and today we are going to go over Investments 101. So, I kind of wanted to give you guys a brief introduction on how to invest, what to look for, and how do you find your investments? Where do you go to look for your stocks and things like that? So, today I am going to use Fidelity because that is the company that I chose to invest in. They're simple, they're easy, their stocks are reasonably priced. Where the way I have mine is I get $150 a month out of my account, and I kind of half in that with my work stocks, and then I half in that with my personal, what I choose personally to invest in. So for today's tutorial, we're going to use Fidelity. Okay, guys? So what you're going to do, you're going to go to fidelity.com and you're going to type in fidelity.com, and then it's going to take you to this screen. Once you get to this screen, you're going to go to planning and advice. And then you're going to go to my goals, and I want you to click on that. Now, once we get on my goals, I want you to see that it's going to take a few minutes. Now, this is my investment strategy. Once you create an account with Fidelity, you will be able to create a goal in an investment strategy. So, how you're invested for retirement, which means that you choose how you want to invest. Now, this is not typical my asset mix. This is called what we say is an asset mix. This is not typical for most Americans that invest, and I chose this because for my personal entities, from research that I've done, and so the stocks that I chose, I've decided to choose those because during the market, they were doing better than anybody else. And then two, I kind of got insights from Warren Buffett and some other guys to kind of help guide me into making this decision. Now, to say my stocks are currently doing better than everybody else's, yes, they're going down. Of course, we are in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, and so everybody's panicking. Things are going downsize, but this is the best time to buy stocks because, as we have seen in the 1920s, the 1930s, 2009, anytime we've had a downturn, um, we they usually go down and then they go back up. So, like I said, this is the best time if you have extra money. Now, if you don't have extra money, I would say put that money into an emergency account and save that money for emergencies. But if you have extra money that you can toss to the side, like $50 a month or $100 a month, that you can safely use to the side without it bothering you and paying your bills, then I would say investing is the way to go. Now, when you get to the retirement investment strategy, this determines how you allocate your money, where you want your investments to go, who you want to purchase from, and so this is mine. So mine, I have domestic stocks. Those are stocks that are in the United States, that is in the U.S. So I have 81% of my stocks are invested in United States funds. Foreign stocks is your overseas stocks in which you invest in foreign companies, oil companies, things like that. So I have 16%. And then bonds, I have 0. And then short term, I have 2% in short term, which is cash values of things. And then I have one that's invested in another account. And I'm going to show you guys those in just a second, but I just wanted to make sure that you understand you need to create your goals first, and you need to create an investment strategy first. So you're going to go to investment strategy, and then you're going to get an investment strategy. Once you get that, then you can kind of choose the types of um, stocks and bonds and mutual funds and things like that that you would like to invest in. Also, I wanted to go to investment products. You're going to click on investment products. Most of mine are mutual funds, and so I wanted to kind of show you guys something that you can click on. If you click here, and then you're going to go to explore our offerings. This is just going to give you a list of mutual funds that they have, and I wanted to show you this because it's important that you learn this. So you're going to go down to explore full spectrum of available Fidelity funds. Now, these are all the types they have. They have large value, large blend, large growth. They have small value, small blend, small growth. Then they have income oriented, go anywhere, diversified. These are all the types of funds they have that you can invest in. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll all the way down, and then we're going to go to research all Fidelity funds, okay? Or maybe let's explore Fidelity Fund portfolio. Let's look at that. Two paths to the portfolio. So if you look here, it tells you conservative, and it tells you what type of person that you may be. Conservative is a person that, hey, I don't want to take a lot of risks. You guys go over there. I'll stay here on the bench. I'm safe. I just don't want to get hurt. So this is the person that don't want to take maybe no risk. So it tells you where you would like to put your funds. So 14% domestic, 6% foreign, 50% in bonds, and bonds are clearly safe. But now let me say, with bonds you won't make a lot of money. You won't make a lot of money with bonds. These are your 1 point something percent interest rate up to 5% interest rate. Now 30% short term is going to be the same thing. Now here it tells you where to put your allocations. So it kind of tell you, like, it tells you which stocks to use. It gives you ideas, okay? So this is something simple, guys. If you would like to learn how to invest in stocks and where to put your stocks, start here and do exactly what it says. It do exactly what it tells you to do. Moderate with income. This is the person to say, okay, I see what you're doing. Let me watch you first, and if you do good, then I'll come out there and join the crowd. But I'm gonna watch first, okay? So this is the person that's, kind of okay with risk, but I want to be safe, but then, I want to see what everybody else is doing. So this is the asset mix is 21% domestic stock, 9% foreign stock, 50% bonds, and then 20% short term. And it gives you example in stocks of what to do. So it tells you, 7% here, 9% here, and it tells you which stocks to choose. So guys, this is you. This is it. This is all you need right here to get started for beginners. Moderate is the person that says, okay, guys, I'm going to get out there, I'm going to join you, but hey, now if things go to getting funny, I'm going to pull back a little bit, but I'm good, I'm good. I see what everybody's doing. I'm good with that. So let's roll. Let's roll. Everybody's in it. I'm in it too. So this is the person, it's 28% domestic stock, 12% foreign stock, 45% bonds, and then 15% short term. And again, guys, it tells you how much to put in what, and then it gives you the actual stocks to invest in. Okay, so balance. All right, this is the person that's, sitting on the fence, the devil's advocate, as we say, go over here, go over there. I'm riding with everybody. If you riding, I'm riding, okay? This is your ride or die person. So This again, 35% domestic stock, 15% foreign stock, 40% bond, 10% short term. Guys, this is it, and it tells you exactly how much to allocate, and then it gives you the fund name. Okay, growth with income, same thing here. 42% domestic stock, 18 foreign, 35 bond, and 5%. Now, the higher we go here, the more risk you're going to take, which means that you're going to be investing in stocks that has the most volatile risk, which means that it could flop anytime. Okay. So again, conservative person, mostly in bonds. Those usually don't change, but they don't have the best interest rate. The higher you go on this spectrum, the more money potential, the more potential it is for you to make money. Okay, guys, growth. And then aggressive growth, again, 60%. Now you see 0% short term. They don't have any short term bonds. I mean, short term they're not investing short term. They have 15% bonds, 25% foreign stock, and then 60% domestic stock. Now, these right here, the most aggressive, this is your high baller person. This is me. I'm all in. These are your young people. These are, I'll say, from 20 to age 45, 50. This is what you want to be investing in. Now, 50 and younger, these are your stocks. When you get over 50, you want to be in the moderate or moderate with income. Okay, guys? You want to kind of go down a little bit. So as you go down, your risk is less. For those of you that are close to retirement, you want to be in the moderate or moderate income, okay? Or you can go to the balance. You can go to the balance. But if you are at retirement age within 10 years, I would say go with conservative or moderate with income. All right. Now, this is me, guys. I'm 70% domestic stock, 30% foreign stock. I have no bonds, and I have short term. The reason why I have short term, I'm gonna do that for about 5 years, and then I'm gonna go to 70% domestic and then 30% foreign. And it gives you the stocks to invest in and tell you how much to invest, guys. So this is the easiest thing ever. If you want to learn how to invest in stocks, where to put your stocks. Now, let me show you something. Look at this. When you click on there, it tells you how it's doing for each stock, the FOCPX. And I think I got this one actually. 10 years is yielding 16.96%. 5 years yielding 14.06%. Guys, look. Look how high it's riding. Look at that. Look how high it's riding. That is a really good stock. I believe that I have this one. Once I go in, we'll go in and look and see if I have this one. But I think this is the one that was suggested by Mr. Warren Buffett. It rides with the S&P 500, and so it works really well for your portfolio. And let's go to this one. Wow, look at that one, guys. That one is up 10.32%. And look how it's just moving up. Man, it kind of went down just a little bit and then it spiked up. Look at that. So, guys, and it's telling you where, it's giving you the best stocks. Look at those. Look at that one. Wow. Let me go back. See. Now, so that's where you go when you want to look at your if you're trying to figure it all out. This is the easiest place to go, and it tells you where to put your money, where to go, and what ticker symbol to use. Now, let me show you how to open your Fidelity account. I just wanted to give you this first so you can know where to go. And then let's go to how to open a Fidelity account. I'm going to give you a YouTube video that I want you to watch, and then you will go from there. Now, I have a Roth IRA account, but you can open a regular Fidelity account. All you have to do is just Google how to open a Fidelity account, and it will pull up a video for you to watch, and it will take you through it. For today's instructional purposes, we are going to use a Roth IRA account because that's what I have. I have a Roth IRA, and then I have a regular investment account. But I'm going to go over the Roth IRA account because I think that that one is most important. Okay, so here, guys, I'm going to play this video.
Hello
So
everyone.
you